Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. In this video I will be painting first of 3 paintings that I called Frozen Nature. I will be painting all 3 of them in the same color palette and with a wintry feel. This one I will paint using this Lebanson paintbrush. That is a large goat hair brush. And first I did pre-wet the entire paper, and then after that I've just painted in the sky, and as you can see I've mixed a little bit of blue, a violet color, and added just a little bit of black to get that. I think that's a perfect wintry color. It just brings me back to childhood. I don't know, I remember it as ice in a cartoons, and everything was looking so violet, so I guess it is wintry color for me. So first, I've painted the sky in the horizontal lines, and then from the lower part of the paper, I've just added vertical lines, mimicking some pine trees in the background that are further away in a fog somewhere, and we can only see their shapes, not really see the entire and all the details of the pine trees, but just the shapes of those pine trees. And then on top of that, I added just a little bit more pigmented, same strokes, same vertical strokes, and some horizontal also to mimic the branches, just a little bit darker to make them look as though some are a little bit closer to us. And after that I've sprinkled some clean water, and then on top with a smaller brush, this one is also from a Lebanson paintbrush series. It has really beautiful pointy tip, and with that brush I've painted some of those pine trees that are even closer to us in more saturated mix of those 3 colors, violet, blue and black. I just wanted to show you also how pointed the tip of this brush is. It is awesome for painting details, also from Lebanson paintbrush series. I will list all the brushes down in the description box and also put a link, so if you want to go ahead and check them out. So after it dried completely, I left the paper to dry completely, then moved on to painting the pine trees that are a little bit closer to us or that are very close to us. And I started with one on the left side, quite larger one. As you can see, I drew the tree trunk first, painted the tree trunk, one very light line. Don't make that line dark, because if you make it dark it will be visible beneath your branches and it just won't look nice. Just make it very light, so make it be a guide for yourself to know how to place the branches, but don't make it too dark. If it stays visible later on, I don't know, I don't like that. So I've painted too many times the branch too dark, so I'm always trying to paint it a little bit lighter, using a little bit lighter color to paint in the tree trunk then branches itself. So as you could have seen, I've just painted that one, and then on one side and the other side painted in the branches. I was just stopping in the wiggly lines, and I wasn't trying to paint too many details, so just paint them irregularly. Don't try to make your tree symmetrical, because it's not symmetrical in the nature either. And when I finished with all of them, I've added also a little bit of darker color in the lower part to make it look as though trees are closer to us, the darkest further away from the light source. And also left it to dry, not really completely. It wasn't dry completely. I've added on top of it some white splatters, and I didn't want them to bleed into my paint from the previous layer, and afterwards I left it to dry completely, and then on top added a little more of those white sprinkles for snow, and this time the paper was completely dry. With that last detail, I'll be finishing off this painting and of course this video. And thank you guys a lot for watching, for all your support. I really do appreciate that a lot. And if you do like this video, please hit the like button, share it, comment, tell me what you like, what you don't like about it. And if you haven't still, please do subscribe to my channel. That would really mean a lot to me. And I am doing a winter series right now, so there will be tutorials every day all the way up till the Christmas, give you some ideas what to paint. And well, again, thank you so much for watching, and I hope I'll see you next time. Bye!